you'll be happy to know.
Stopwatch?
Oh yeah. You'll be happy to know that you just put it on the biggest size and it fits in the belt.
Cool, right? Yeah. Football play.
Oh god.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
Did everybody get their presents?
So many different ones.
Yeah, everyone got their presents.
Oh, I gave you yours, right? Oh, yeah, scarf. Okay.
Face some shit. You told Ty.
Right?
Yeah, too much.
You're lucky.
Rick?
What's
Oh,
that?
you're on video.
I am?
It's a diploma you graduated
Why did you
from
just give
college.
this to me?
What is that?
What is
Is
it?
there anything in it? There's something in it.
You got a tube. I'm like, I got a tube.
It's a tube of air from a special place.
Read it out loud. I wrote it for you.
'Twas the morning of Christmas in the living room we came to exchange presents based on a name. We chose a name out of a hat and purchased a gift. That was all that. But someone in this room got an extra gift. It's something she wanted and something that's Swift. There's nothing that's better than a 2012 Jetta. It's parked in your yard, so why don't you? Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
I don't know, go check.
Wait, is this a joke?
It's not a joke. I think it's a joke.
You're so slow. So slow.
It's a joke. Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Surprise!
You know
Oh
that?
my god.
Go look at it.
My feet are so cold now.
Here.
Come on, put something on and then come out.
Go.
LOL, just kidding.
Run to it.
Oh my god. Wait, I had to. Thank you. Oh my god, this is the best gift ever!
Oh wait, where's the key? I can't even get to it.
Stay away.
Here's the
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Is this for me or for you?
It's for you, Lisa.
Oh my god, I love it.
Where's the key, though?
Where is it?
They're going to get you the key. Hold on.
Oh my god.
So I take it you like it?
I love
A brand new car!
it. I was really waiting to hear the Lexus theme song, but
Yeah, well, that ain't happening.